Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into PayPal account on PC. PayPal is a secure online payment platform that allows users to send money, receive payments and shop online worldwide. It is a widely used online payment platform that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money securely over the internet. And it has become one of the most trusted digital payment system globally. With PayPal you can link your bank account, debit cards. Once you create an account, you can easily access it anytime by logging it through a web browser on your computer. So first open any of the web browser on your computer. After that, on the top there's an address bar, type down paypal.com and enter it. And over here, once you reach into this PayPal login interface, in the top right corner we could find to this login here. Select to this login, and over here what you can do is enter your email address and select to this next. And again over here, simply type down your password and select login over here. That is it. This is how you can log into your PayPal account. After logging in successfully, you will see your PayPal dashboard where you can check your balance, send or request money, link bank accounts or cards, view transaction history, manage settings and security. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.